So hello everyone and good evening to all of you. Myself Dipan. So today we are going to do the debate and my partner name is Harsh and our topic is that the education is having every kind of the solution of a problem. So I have chosen no because there are the lots of the problems who have the solution that we are not able to find out the answer of the problem. So yes, it is not having.
Okay, so hello everyone and good all of you. Myself is Sarsh. Today we are taking the debate class and my opponent name is Dipanshu. So we are getting the one topic. Topic is here. The education is the solution of every kinds of the things. Yes or not. So I have choose yes and my opponent choose no. And my point of view that is here. The solution is here over every kinds of the things is a not education because education is coming in everything, so the money in food, I can say in every facilities the education will be given. Okay, I want to ask that question, how you think that the education is the every kind not solution of everything?
Because I have seen lots of time that people are educated and still they are not having the solution of their problems. The educated people are getting suicide. Why? Because still they are educated. Why they are getting suicide? Why they are not having any types of the answers of their problems?
In your career, the education is not helping to your to become the successful.
It is helping. I am not saying that it is not helping.
So why you have said that they are society they are dying, the people who was having the education.
This thing I am telling you that education is not having an answer of their problem, that they are having some problems.
Tell me the which kind of problems.
Even they are the educated. Still they are not able to find out their problems that what they have to do. That still they are going to doing the suicide. Why? Because they are not having any types of the answers. Still the students are going to suicide.
I am also questioning to you which kinds of the problem they are getting. This is society.
I am telling you about students. The students are getting stress from the study. That from the education they are getting the problems. Still education is not able to find out their answers. So how you can say that it is the answer of every kind of the solution?
If you have the any kinds of the problems in your study, in your learning skill, so you can ask to your teachers, you can ask to your parents. There is a more educated persons who have the more skills, who have the more knowledge about the education. Okay.
There are the people, they can find out the solution, but they cannot go in the deeply inside of a student's feeling. That as much stress he is getting, as much tension he is getting from his education. And what's about that thing, the personal thing which the education is not getting the solution. That we can do any types of the things by the education, but not another things which don't have the answer of any problem.
But you think that them persons who are they haven't faced that any kinds of the problem in our knowledge and in education, they have also got the more problems in education. After that they have got the success. As that the students are also getting the problem in education, but they are not questioning to a teachers how they will be solve the problems.
So as with it, I am also giving you an example that about Sushant Singh Rajput. Yes, he was also an educated person. Why he has done the suicide? Why he was thinking like that? Means I have to do the suicide. He was also getting problems. He was also educated. So why he hasn't thought that I have to find out the solution from my problems?
Listen, if you are talking about the Sushant Singh Rajput case, police hasn't got any kinds of the ideas of he has done the suicide. Anyone has killed him. Okay.
So yes, you have spoken by your mouth that police people are also educated. Still, they are not able to find out the solution of the problems. This is
a different thing. We are talking about the education, but the education is the system is here who can solve every kinds of the things. If you are not having the any kinds of the foods and the money, so you will be get in a future. If you have the educated,
in the free also you can get, but the problem solution you can never get. In the free, absolutely. In the Gurudwara, in the every kind of the bhandaras, these kind of the things we are getting free. But the solution of our problem we never can get it. The problem of Sushant Singh Rajput, I am telling you,
yes.
The problem of Sushant Singh Rajput, he can also find out the problem which he was getting. He was not able to find out it because the matter is here that he is educated, still he is not having the answer how he can get? That's why, because education is not having the solution.
Listen,
kind of
you're talking
problem.
about the Sushant Singh Rajput. I would just tell you what you have told me that you can have the foods in your Gurudwara, but not the money. Remember that the money is the big thing of a whole world, and by this kinds of by the education you can get the money, not by your hard work, not by struggle, by the education.
Hard work, if you will do hard work, certainly you will be rich, that you will become labor. The labor work is doing the hard work, you will be get money, that thing is becoming
But
educated.
that money will be enough for it.
Yeah, it absolutely, if his condition is like that, he is doing the laboring, so absolutely the money will be capable for him. And
I cannot say that because he's not having that kinds of the facilities in a laboring. Okay, but still he want to say that I
you know
want to get the
how education can make a man good. The education hasn't a chance to make a man good. There are the lots of the people who are doing the crime. There are the lots of people who are killing the people. This is the matter, that they are not having the solution of their mentality. How they can change the people, because education is not having any answer.
Thank you so much for watching our video.